Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to create a die by using forming tool and how to use this die to create a product like this. We need to create a part first, so choose one plane and then select sketch. Now draw a straight slot, define it 50 millimeter and 150 millimeters. Now extrude it up to 10 millimeters. Press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch. Make normal to and draw two circles. Select both circles and make relation equal. Now define them 30 millimeters. Extrude them up to 5 millimeters. Press OK button. Now select fillet command. Select both of these faces and fillet radius 2 millimeters. Press OK button. Again click on this face and sketch. Make normal to and straight slot. $30 millimeters, 80 millimeter, and this distance 35 millimeters. Now extrude it 20 millimeters and press OK button. Now select fillet command and click on this face, the fillet radius 2 millimeter. Press OK button. Again fillet command and select this edge, fillet radius 2 millimeters. Now the part is ready and we are going to make it as a die. Click on sheet metal and then select forming tool. First of all this face and then the faces to remove. Select both of these faces and press OK button. This die is ready. Now to save it in the design library and then forming tools. For that, click on the arrow in front of save button and select save all. Click on the save as type and then select form tool. Save it in the forming tools folder and name it and save. Now close this window and do not save. Just start a new part again. Sketch on front plane and straight slot. Make horizontal and define it 50, 150. In the sheet metal tab, click on base flange tab command and here is the thickness for the sheet. So we need only 0.5 millimeters. Press OK button. Now in the right side click on design library button and In the design library, select forming tool, and here is the die that we have saved now. So click and drag it on that sheet. In the left side, click on this button position and define the position by smart dimensions. "25". Now click on this arrow part 7 and click on this arrow, select this sketch and click on show button. From this point to the origin of die, "75", press OK button. Now you can hide this sketch. Press OK button and the product is ready. Thanks for watching and sparing time. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.